In this video, we will take you through the stages from cultivation and harvesting all the way to the processing of Inca Inchi seeds to extract their valuable oil. Inca Inchi, also known as Sacha Inchi, is a tropical vine native to South America, famous for its seeds that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Join us as we delve deeper into how this ancient plant is now cultivated and processed to meet the growing demands of global consumers. The Inca Inchi plant thrives vigorously in tropical and subtropical regions, commonly found in countries like Peru, Colombia, and Thailand. This water-loving vine is well suited to areas with abundant rainfall or reliable irrigation systems. The Inca Inchi seed, which is technically the fruit of the plant, is enclosed by 3 protective layers. To ensure optimal growth, the plant is usually cultivated on trellises, allowing the vines to climb freely and receive more sunlight exposure, which promotes faster growth and results in higher yields. Growing Inca Inchi requires meticulous care from soil preparation to seed sowing. First, farmers must treat the soil well by adding organic matter and adjusting it to ensure the seedlings receive adequate nutrition from the very beginning. Once the soil is loosened and leveled, the seeds are sown. The placement of the seed is crucial. The root tip should face downward, with sufficient space between seeds for the plants to grow. After sowing, a light layer of soil covers the seeds, and watering helps maintain the necessary moisture levels. In addition to seed planting, cutting propagation is a fast and effective method for growing Inca Inchi. Healthy cuttings are planted in a nutrient-rich environment, ensuring that the young plants grow quickly and produce results faster. To ensure optimal growth, farmers must carefully tend to the plants, including weeding and pruning to maintain plant health. Trellises are also installed to support the vines as they grow. After about 6 months, flowers begin to bloom. These small flowers, usually white or light green, grow in clusters at the leaf axils and are pollinated by wind and insects. Once the flowers fade, the fruit begins to form, continuing the growth cycle that results in nutrient-rich seeds. The Inca Inchi fruit has a star shape, initially green, but it turns dark brown as it ripens. Each fruit contains between 4 and 7 seeds, which are highly nutritious. The ripening process takes 2 to 3 months, and the seeds contain high levels of omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids, offering many health benefits. The harvesting process of Inca Inchi requires meticulous care and brings significant economic and environmental benefits. Inca Inchi fruits are typically hand-picked, a method that not only preserves seed quality but also promotes sustainable farming and minimizes negative impacts on the plants and the surrounding ecosystem. In cultivation areas, harvesting is often a collective activity involving both farmers and workers who gather the fruits together. Only fully ripened fruits with brown husks are selected, ensuring the highest quality. To maintain the health of the plants, farmers must carefully inspect each plant, avoiding damage to young plants or disruption to other trees in the orchard. Afterward, the fruits are transported to drying facilities, where they are either naturally sun-dried or dried using specialized equipment. This drying process is crucial as it prevents the seeds from being damaged and helps retain their nutritional value. The dried fruits are then transported to the factory for processing. At the factory, the production of Inca Inchi oil begins with the seeds being shelled using modern machinery, followed by a drying stage. Throughout this process, the seeds are carefully monitored to ensure they reach the perfect level of dryness, preserving both their quality and nutritional value. Once the seeds meet the required standards, they undergo cleaning and sorting to ensure that only the best seeds are selected. Finally, the Inca Inchi seeds are crushed to extract the oil, guaranteeing that the final product delivers high nutritional value to consumers. Inca Inchi oil is renowned for its high content of omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids, offering numerous health benefits, including supporting cardiovascular health, reducing inflammation, and improving skin quality. In addition to oil extraction, Inca Inchi seeds are also processed into various other food products. To make roasted Inca Inchi seeds, the seeds are first shelled and then roasted in large industrial ovens, where they are exposed to high temperatures for a controlled amount of time. The seeds then go through a second selection process to ensure that only the highest quality seeds are brought to market. They are thoroughly cleaned and sorted one last time to ensure uniform size. After roasting, the seeds are packaged and sold as a nutritious snack, either in their pure form or seasoned with natural spices. We hope this video has provided you with a detailed and engaging look into the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of Inca Inchi seeds, as well as their incredible benefits. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit like and share it so others can also learn about this nutritious product. Feel free to leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions if you need more information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos on agriculture. Welcome to our journey into the enchanting world of Japanese agriculture, where we explore the cultivation and processing of one of the most unique fruits you'll ever encounter, the akebia, also known as the chocolate vine fruit. The akebia fruit, often referred to as the chocolate vine, is a rare and peculiar fruit native to Japan. Known for its distinct appearance and flavor, this fruit grows on a hardy vine that thrives in the temperate regions of Japan. The akebia is prized not only for its sweet, custard-like pulp, but also for its aesthetic appeal, with its dark purple, sausage-shaped pods that hang gracefully from the vine. The journey of akebia begins with the careful selection of seeds or seedlings. These seeds are then sown in well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. The ideal time for planting is in early spring, when the soil has warmed up enough to encourage germination. Once the seeds have sprouted and the young vines begin to grow, the real work of nurturing these plants begins. Japanese farmers are meticulous in their care, ensuring that the vines are supported by sturdy trellises or arbors. These structures not only provide the necessary support for the vines to climb, but also allow for better air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Akebia vines are unique in their pollination process. They produce both male and female flowers on the same plant, but they often require assistance with pollination to ensure a good fruit set. In many cases, Japanese farmers hand-pollinate the flowers, transferring pollen from the male flowers to the female ones using a small brush or even their fingers. This meticulous process is critical, as it directly impacts the quality and quantity of the fruit. Once pollinated, the female flowers develop into fruits. The pods begin to form and gradually grow in size, eventually reaching their full, mature length of 10 to 13 centimeters. The fruit undergoes a transformation, turning from green to a deep purple as it ripens. During this period, the farmers closely monitor the vines, ensuring that the fruits are developing evenly and are free from pests and diseases. Harvesting akebia is an art in itself. Timing is crucial as the fruit needs to be picked when it is fully ripe but not overripe. The optimal harvest time is usually in late summer to early autumn when the pods have turned a rich purple color and begin to crack open naturally, revealing the soft, edible pulp inside. Japanese farmers harvest the fruits by hand, carefully cutting them from the vine to avoid damaging the delicate pods. The fruits are then collected in baskets and transported to the processing area, where they are sorted according to size and quality. Once harvested, the akebia fruit undergoes a series of processing steps to transform it into various products. The first step is to extract the pulp from the pods. This is done by gently pressing the pods to release the soft, custard-like flesh. The pulp is then separated from the seeds, which can be used for planting the next crop. The pulp is versatile and can be used in various culinary applications. In Japan, it is often used to make jams, jellies, and desserts, thanks to its sweet, delicate flavor. Some farmers also dry the pulp to create fruit leather, a popular snack that retains the natural sweetness and nutritional value of the akebia.
Semi-sweet liquid. The fruit is rich in vitamins. To consuming the fruit, akebia leaves are also made into a tea infusion.
In addition to the pulp, the akebia's outer pod is also utilized. The pods are often stuffed with savory fillings and steamed or baked, creating a unique dish that combines the fruit's natural sweetness with savory flavors. This dish is a traditional delicacy in some regions of Japan, highlighting the ingenuity of Japanese cuisine. The final step in the akebia journey is packaging. Japanese farmers take great pride in the presentation of their products, and this is evident in the care they put into packaging the akebia fruit. The packaging is often designed to reflect the cultural significance of the akebia fruit, with beautiful illustrations and descriptions that tell the story of its cultivation. This attention to detail not only enhances the product's appeal but also connects consumers to the rich agricultural heritage of Japan. Once packaged, the Ipia products are distributed to markets across Japan.